Well, if Amazon didn't make enough recent whoopsies and mistakes, they're now trying to push a reporting tool to help them prevent their whoopsie situation, like they did recently with the AWS cloud situation. Hey everyone, it's about LockTech banging out some more tech news. Have an awesome day. Now, if you haven't been living on a rock, you've been in the know. You know recently Amazon has been going through a lot of things. First, it was some lawsuit or action suit for something pertaining to Prime, I believe. And then recently AWS services went down completely, affecting a lot of major corporations as well as customers, personal customers like consumers like us, using their technologies and whatever gadgets we buy from them. Now, with this outage that they had that lasted for, I think it was a day or two, for the AWS services, it affected the delivery times, the Prime delivery times as well, not only regular, as well as enterprise level situations for companies that use AWS services for like backing up their information, their data, their cloud and stuff like that. And it's been really affecting a lot of people, organizations as well, but more heavily people that actually use their services. And they're now claiming to release some new reporting tool to help people be proactive at actually pinpointing issues that may be occurring or may occur for their web services. And it's very convenient to me that all of a sudden they have a tool that's supposed to help you be aware of these outages before they happen. So I personally think it's just a gimmick to help them kind of cover their ass as far as the big whoopsie they did with the cloud services going down and affecting so many people, making people lose all this money. But that maybe I'm crazy. That's just my 2 cents. But a lot of big corporations, when they make a big mistake that don't expect to happen, they try to make excuses or gimmicks and do PR stunts, try to kind of get the ideas or the attention off of them, make them look like the good guy, saying, "Hey, yeah, we know we had this issue, but by the way, we created XYZ to prevent so-called issue that you're just like passively ignoring." And you know where it goes from there as far as large corporations, when they don't want to own up or take accountability for their issues and their actions that they affect all their customers, whether it's corporate, enterprise, or regular consumers like you and me. So this tool is supposed to help them detect any anomalies in AWS services before the actual thing strikes, as far as outages or any issues like mechanical issues or whatnot. And I just think that is just a cover or a mask. Maybe you think differently, but I don't really trust these big corporations when all of a sudden conveniently they release this new technology that to help people turn their attention away from their big mistake that they made just a couple of days prior. So if you're one of those people that had an Amazon device or use Amazon Web Services like for your bag or for your company, y'all let me know if your experiences outages as well, how big it affected you, and how long did it take you yourself or your organization to get back on their feet when this major cloud service thing went down or had the outage. Because we all know that Azure is there too, Microsoft Azure, but Amazon has been leading for the last half a decade plus when it comes to Amazon Web Services and for companies for backup and all the other good technology stuff that they use to keep their own data and their customers and clients' data as well. So it having such a large outage, I'm sure it affected a lot of people and made them use a lot of money. I don't have any numbers, but I'm sure it's probably in the millions. But let me know in the comments below if you are one of those people that were affected by the outage. Are you a regular everyday Joe that just does shopping on Amazon, whether it's by itself or using Prime? And what are your honest thoughts on the lawsuit recently that Amazon been trying to fight, as well not closely nearby the whole situation with the outage happened conveniently close to the lawsuit that they've been going through. So y'all let me know in the comments below if you have been experiencing this and how long did it take you to get back up and running, whether it's you ordering stuff or using the actual cloud services for the AWS Service Cloud. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, this is boy LockTech signing out.